We're very excited to share a new feature we've just created for the virtual campus. You can now create your own avatar, which will allow you to interact with other members of the Conversa community. We'll first show you how to create your avatar, then we'll show you how to strike up a conversation with someone on campus. Let's get started with the avatar. To begin, you'll go to the My Profile page. Here you'll now see an option to work on your avatar. Click on the link to begin. On the left, you'll see a number of features that you can adjust. Simply click on the category and select the different options to see how the avatar will look. Once you're satisfied with the selection, click on Submit. Once you submit, if this is the first time you update your avatar, it'll take you to a page where you can provide a bit of information that you might want to share with the community, like where you are, your hobbies, and your approximate level of Spanish. This is going to be visible to others who are on campus at the same time as you. Once you update this information, you can go back to the campus. Now you'll see that there's an avatar of you floating around. To chat with someone, simply click on their avatar. That'll open up a small window where you'll be able to see their avatar as well as the information that they provided about themselves. To invite them to chat, simply click on the button below. That'll open up a window at their end asking if they'd like to meet with you. When they accept, that'll automatically launch the Conversa Park Zoom session and you'll both be taken there. Bienvenidos al nuevo campus. Esperamos que disfruten y que conversen mucho.